Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today I'm sharing French toast with you guys. Very delicious and easy to put together. Let's start. I'm going to be using 3 eggs for this. Just break in my bowl the 3 eggs, add half a cup of milk, a pinch of salt, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Put it together. Oh, let's add vanilla extract to it as well. Just for the flavor, makes it more yummy. Put it together, and I'm going to be dipping my bread in it. I'm going to be using 4 slices of bread. White bread, you can use any bread of your choice. So I'm using my pancake pan to fry this French toast. Just adding a tablespoon of cooking oil. Spread it on your pan, and you use non-stick pan so that your toast don't stick to your pan. And my heat is on medium heat, not too high. So I just soak my bread in the egg mix. Then I'm going to be frying it till it's golden brown. Then I'm flipping it just like so. Fry the other side couple of minutes till it's golden brown as well. Then it's ready. French toast is very easy to put together. This you can enjoy for breakfast, for lunch as well. So I'm using 4, so I just do the other one. My French toast is ready, so I serve it with golden kiwi and syrup. So delicious. And I hope you guys will try this. It's very easy to put together. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to help me to share, like my page, and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you. And to all my returnees, I appreciate you all. Bye.